Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Turn to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Don't be stingy with your likes, subscribes, comments. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Just kidding. Go ahead and like it if you do like the video. And don't forget to make sure your notification bell is turned off because YouTube be tripping. On today's video, we are going to be closing out our paycheck one of July because this is the week that we get paid, honey. So we want to make sure everything's closed and down to zero or transferred over to welcome in our next paycheck that is coming on Friday. So let's get started. What I do over here is reconcile towards my bank account versus what is left over here. If this is bright green, that means it's already been cleared and we're good to go. If it's any other color, we need to make sure it's cleared the bank or been paid to the card. So let's go into our account right now and find out where we are with money. So I think we can safely start at probably this dollar right here, which is our Navy Federal dollar. We send $1 to Navy Federal. I send $1. I'm a single biweekly budgeter. I send $1 to Navy Federal every paycheck to keep my Navy Federal account open. So let's make that bright green because I can see that it cleared my bank. Then my payment for $233.50. When I say y'all, okay, I mean us. It be us, okay? Let me take this buffer out so that it equals properly, and I'll make this yellow. Okay, so then it says our car payment, which should be under debt, for $233.50, our partial car payment. I split payment that, and so that's half the car payment, and that's paid. Then $20 to be my what? Oh, Life is a Beach. Okay, so $20 went to Life is a Beach, which is my monthly savings challenge right now. So we'll put $20. I'm doing that with a group of lovely ladies. In this particular video, I can't show it, but it'll be down in the description. There is a freebie as well as I'm doing it with a bunch of ladies. Check them out. They're linked down below if you have the time, And I was able to put $20 out of here to my savings. So that is that. And I'll just insert a quick note that says it went to the Life's a Beach savings. And I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do a lot more to that, to be honest, y'all, which is bad because I wanted to use that for my birthday. So then the water company, $43.08, right there. The water bill has come out, that's paid. Then I have my advance and whatever it's called, is the student loan. And that's $7.67. That also came out. And then $96.89 for the Home Depot was paid. That was a credit card, and we are done, y'all. Happy dance. We're done with all the credit card payments that have to do with our patio project. I love my patio. Well worth all the money I spent. Can't wait for the fall time to be able to be out there more often because it's too hot right now. But yeah, that all the credit card bills for that have been paid. That was the last one. Okay, so Capital One, 171.80. So that is paying our car insurance. So that has been paid, was paid on the credit card, so now it got paid through. Then we have $85 went to 80 hold your horses. So let me explain what happened with this one. So originally $105 was for the electric bill. And if you're not new here, you see me do this when I was reconciling my cards. 105 was meant to be for the electric bill. For some reason, I got an $85 credit, y'all. I got an $85 credit from, I don't know, like an iPlace I went to like a year ago. So let's just say we had 105. I got an $85 credit. So it was saying on my credit card, I only had $20 due. So I only paid $20 towards this card. Toward this bill. So, and that's the $85 credit. I took $85 from my money that was sitting. I took $85 from the money that was sitting in my operating account and I moved it to hold your horses just in case they realize they spent the $85 to the wrong person. And then if by the end of the month it doesn't come, I might still just move that $85 to like my build a buffer account just for safekeeping. Then if it makes it into like September, then I might put it in my emergency fund or put it towards my extra car payment because, girl, we're about to start that too, but another story for another time. So then I made $20 payment, which was the balance of that electric bill. Not so I hope that made sense, y'all. So that got paid. Plus, we took $85 and moved it to hold your horses. So it can I don't need to really move it. I need to just put a note because if I leave it at $85, it makes sense. So in my note, it's gonna say I paid $20 to the bill and sent $85 to hold your horses account to offset the credit given by Clinton Eye Center. Just so if I'm ever looking back, I'm like, what? Okay. So then Capital One, $25. That is going to be for our cell phone visible bill. Check down below for the code. I'm pretty sure I have a code down there. It works. It's working just like my other phone. I have no issues. Okay, so I went from like a $75 bill to a $25 bill and have no regrets. Then we have Comcast, that's $80 right there. We can mark that in green. And last but not least, we have our 2714, which is for our security. We can mark that in green. Now let's make sure everything. So the goal of clearing out this paycheck is that everything will be in what? Green. So everything so far, green, green, green. Child, why did you make that yellow? That is green. How many of y'all saw that and was like, girl, that's yellow, not green? I know y'all probably was like, Tara. Everything is green. And so now it says our balance buffer is 3249. And as you can see, we have 3249 left. And we love to see it. And we love to see it. Actually, okay, y'all. So out of this buffer, we're going to, because I'm not doing so well with my variable spending as far as the credit card goes, I'll be taking this buffer to use for my savings challenge. So hold on, let me grab that real quick so that I can do that with y'all. Okay, guys, so this is a savings challenge. I guess you guys will be able to see it. This is the savings challenge. There's a $100 one and there's a $500 one. All I did was print it out, laminate it, and hole punch it so it fits into my A6 binder. You can print it out, do whatever you want. You know what I mean? It's free. It's a freebie. Shout out to SNC Budget Creations, Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, the Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I don't know, child. Cassie, babe. Thank you so much. You can check her out on Etsy. The shop is owned by Cassie J Budgets as well as Olympia Budgets. They have a shop. They have some things that you can purchase to support them, but this is the freebie for July. And if I understand correctly, there will be one coming for August. So let's talk about how much money we have left here that we can work with. $32.49. There are no change on here. So what I'm going to do is see if we can figure out $30. $30 doll hairs. Please hold. I don't want y'all to be just, Okay, y'all. So I figured it out. If I color in everything else that's not colored in on this side, the 4, the 2, the 5, the 3, the 2, the 8, and the 6, that is actually $30. Like, how well did that work out? Me searching for the calculator on my screen so y'all can see what I'm talking about. So the 4, can y'all see that? Child, let me hold it this way so that I can see it. The 4 plus the 2 plus the 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus the 8 plus the 6 is what? $30. So I'm going to color these in real quickly and we're going to transfer that $30 and we're going to get out of here. Okay? Okay. All right, guys. So it's all, it's all colored in on this side. Whoop, whoop. Half of my Life's a Beach is done. And I think we have about $38 left to go. And if I don't finish it by the end of July, it's fine, y'all. I can either continue into August or I could just start August and be like, I did what I did. Okay. Do whatever works for you. So let's go ahead and transfer over from Tara's Major Keys to I could have swore I changed this to monthly saving challenges, but somehow it was saying something about a guest last time. So there's monthly saving challenges. We're sending over $30 to that. Ooh, what? Get out, girl. We have $2 on here. So we got $2. We about to. I'm gonna color that on my own time, but we make it 32. Just do it, girl, so we could just be ahead of the game. So we're making it $32, and we're sending that to our Life's a Beach challenge for July. and we're going to transfer, and we're going to have what? Success, honey. So that has been transferred over there, and I'm going to make sure I add that in under other, so it's no longer just 20. I'm gonna need you, okay, to do 20 plus 32, and we will only have, whoa, what did I type? We forgot the plus, I wish. And we will have 49 cents left, which I think we're just gonna go ahead and put that into my emergency fund. Why not? So emergency fund, here comes 49 cents. Every little bit counts. Every little bit counts. Okay, we out here. We out here doing every little bit counts in these streets. Success, 49 cents to my emergency fund. And so emergency fund, is that even on here? I don't know, child. Oh, yes, it is. So emergency fund is getting 49 cents, that paycheck. And we have a what? A zero-based budget. Because why? Because I said so. So we have a 40 and for nothing left, zero-based budget, and our account has nothing left. And I'm not worried because what? We're getting paid on Friday. Me, Thursday for the most part. But that's it, y'all. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's good. I'm so glad you guys joined me. If you're doing the little freebie, I hope you're moving along well, a little bit at a time. If you can't finish it this month, that's fine. Carry it on over. Carry it on over. Let me know if you closed out your first budget and how it went. Were you on target, not on target? Struggling along, eating all the snacks like me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, orders be great. You have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, ever, Bye. Just love you. Mean it. Boy.